How to turn off all notifications on Instagram Threads, easy and quick. If you want to turn it off, all you have to do first go to Threads and then click on profile, and after that once you're here all you have to do just click these 2 points and then you will find notifications. Click on it, and if you want to pause all the notifications all you have to do just enable this option, the first option here in notification section, and you will have to select how much time you want to turn it off. So let's select this one, and then as you see all the notifications have been turned off, and you can turn it on whenever you want. Just turn off this option, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's it for today's video. See you in the next video.